Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today gonna do a little small haul for groceries. So here are my apples, brown apples, and this is kale. So the kale 3 bags. And got a garlic pack, 2 packs of ginger. Even though I really don't like these gingers, these are GMO. I like the organic one, but somehow they vanished from the store. And there are 2 cilantro packs. These are for putting in the vegetable. These are already packaged so they don't get spoiled so easily. And the 2 red packs of red onion, a little green split peas. I showed you 3 bags of kale, and I have here bitter melon. And here my radish green, 2 bags of radish green, and I got 2 bags of lemon lime, actually 8 of them. And this is green squash. Green squash. A whole bunch of them. And here the bitter melon has the radish green. So you see the radish and then the greens. So it's good to eat a lot of greens, then you won't get sick. And there is cilantro. I got 6 bunches. So cilantros are really good for cleaning you up. Any kind of toxicity, metal toxicity, whatever it is, any junk. So cilantro chutney is a great way to clean it up. Now here is a pack of russet potatoes, 4 pack of frozen green beans, 4 packs of this broccoli, carrot, and cauliflower mix. I got a huge cauliflower here, and a mustard, and there's some soya chunks. And that's it for this week.